My video tutorial is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups by the site News-layudi.cc. So this site News-layudi.cc is absolutely fake and obviously really deceptive. Today it attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. It basically tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you watch some video, but in reality to click on allow is certainly a mistake, and this may actually redirect you to some filthy sites. Also, you may start receiving the tremendous portion of really intrusive advertisements in the form of push notifications. To stop these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and then in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to all these sites allowed to send notifications, so make sure you remove these junk and filthy sites if you find them on the list. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and start thoroughly investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.